Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. Are you one of those candidates who are looking for the simplest way to check their WAEC result without spending money? We want to tell you that 2022 WAEC result is officially released, and in this video we are going to show you step-by-step process to check your WAEC result without spending money. The first process is to enter your smart browser, either Chrome or Firefox, but in this case I'm going to use Chrome. So enter Chrome.
We will help you.
So the official website where you can check your WAEC result is waecdirect.org. So type waecdirect.org. So here is the website. You can see many options here, like examination number, examination year, examination pin, and serial number. So in this case, you are going to fill the form and click on submit. Then within the short period of time, your result will be displayed to you. So how do you achieve this? In place of examination number, you have to enter your examination number. Your WAEC examination number are 10 digits and they normally end up with 2 alphabets. So you know that you have to enter that one in place of examination number. Then followed by examination year. This is 2022. Then you have to click on 2022. We have other years here. If you are checking for 2021, you have to click on 2021. But this is 2022 WAEC result. So kindly click on 2022. Then the following process is examination. You can see things like private candidate result and so on. So in this case, if you are a private candidate, you have to click on the first option, and if you are school candidate, you have to click on the second option. Then here is PIN. So if you want to know your PIN, you have to check the back of your WAEC ID card. And if you don't have this WAEC ID card, you can go to nearby cafe and buy your WAEC PIN. So in place of serial number is the number you use or your seat number during your examination. You have to fill in with your serial number, then click on submit. Immediately after that, your WAEC result will be displayed. Then you can save it either as PDF or you can just screenshot it. So this is the shortest form to check your 2022 WAEC result without going to cafe or without even spending money. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and don't forget to follow our other videos